If you guys remember, this was a trade that I gave out free analysis and uploaded the video on YouTube. I'm talking about gold. Let me just confirm once again. This is before. You can try to zoom right here. This was taken on where is the date? Oh, right here. That was on 5th right here. Try to zoom right here, and today, of course, when I'm recording this video, is the 6th day, that is Wednesday. So I want you to see what happened, guys. And of course, I'm going to leave the link to that previous video that I did analyze this market. But for those who never watched, let me just remove everything. No, let me not remove everything, but I'll just take you through and show you what I saw before executing this gold position. Okay, so let me hit that replay tool right here. Okay, somewhere like this. So I remember, guys, I started this analysis from the daily, and it was a very simple analysis. One thing you need to understand and realize that this was just a continuation pattern, which is a bullish flag. Okay, and we see price gave us an impulse and a correction, and we know after correction we expect impulse. Okay, so if we had that type of a thing in mind, so we needed to go to the lower time frame and understand what gold was doing. And we see, of course, from the last week, gold was respecting our price action, and those were just bullish property. We see price giving us once again impulse correction, impulse correction, impulse, and now gold was giving us another type of a bullish continuation pattern yesterday. And that is when I said, yo, this is looking nice, and if we get a confirmation, we will have to execute our buy position. Okay, so let's see. Gold started doing its thing right there. So remember, I said, yo, there's no way that you guys should be taking a sell on gold. Yes, gold is trying to manipulate that, oh, this is a reversal, a double top, so that you guys should take your sell position. But I say there's no way we should look out for sell position unless gold took out this level right here, which was a neckline. So if gold did take out that neckline yesterday, then I should have not taken that buy position. I could have waited for gold, of course, to do this, take that level, and basically that is when I could have taken my sell position, guys. But gold never did that. Let me just do this. Gold never did that right here. So as usual, I saw that gold was giving me bullish property, and yes, it did that. So it respected that bullish structure, and you see that was an amazing trade which never took time, guys. Gold is a very good trade, guys. It's a very good pair, and you see this is what the market is currently doing. Basically, I still believe it might continue moving all the way up. Let me do this, because my initial target was this level right here. That is why you see I have an alert right here. So gold missed that target. Let me see my alert with only 30 pips. So that could have been amazing run, but there's no problem, guys. You see, we just need sometimes you don't have to wait for price to take your take profit, guys. If it's almost taking your take profit, you just have to close the trade manually. Okay, that being said, let me just show you from the video for you guys to understand that I did this analysis.
Today, I got to tell you about how QuickBooks
Just
helps
a
me.
minute.
QuickBooks gives me easy to understand reporting and dashboard tools. I can stay on top of my numbers as the rest.
So I'll look for gold. That was beautiful. Remember, if we don't see this type of continuation pattern or a bullish flag, then we won't take a buy position. But have to take our buy position right there. Something like this, something like that. So let me hit the H1. You see that gold has been crazy. You see, respecting trends and respecting price action, guys. Sorry. Price action. So once again, you can see over here when I was recording this video, guys, the video was uploaded 23 hours ago from now, from the moment that is when I'm recording this video. So you can see right over here that was on March 5th. Okay, let's see. Let's do this. Of course, oh, you might think that this is a reversal. Oh, this is a double top. Let's, sell. Yo, you don't need to sell unless gold takes out this level right here. You understand? Because this is the pivot, or that's a neckline. Unless gold takes out that level, this level right here, that is when you have to consider taking a sell position. But you'll be crazy taking a sell right now on gold. Okay, it's going to be crazy taking a sell on gold. No, gold is crazy. At the same time, today I believe there are so many news, high impact news. So that is one. Let me show you what happened also on another pair. Let me show you. Where is Nasdaq? Where are you? Right over here. Oh, this was US30. Let me just show you. Let's go back to the hour chart and see what the US30 did. See. guys, see, this was just the same analysis that I did and gave out for free. You see, I say, let me just rewind once again. Okay, that US30 was looking too good, and I said, why was the market giving me a bearish property? Okay, and I said, okay, this is someone impulse correction, and I was expecting US30 to do this to continue going all the way up, and this was the first target. You see, the market kind of respected that type of a play. And guys, don't worry, I'm going to give you that video link for you guys to confirm, and let me just give you a walkthrough. Let's just go. Okay, let me see. Okay, okay, right here. Okay, so price broke out. We see price broke out, went back to retest, rejected, went back to retest, rejected. So I believe we might look for sell property, like I said before, unless price continues, going all the way up, breaking this support that, I mean, of course, that was support, now turn resistance. Unless it breaks, then we need a retest. Then it has to respect that level. You see, something like that. That is when we might see buys property on this joint that is on US30, maybe target this level right here. Those are the things that we should see. Okay, but most probably US30, I'm seeing bearish property unless price decides to change. Okay, let's see gold. We need to get, come on. Another this is it. Had a level right here. Okay, and also let's not forget this level right here. So let's go to the H1. All right, now based on what price is doing, price action, if this is the case, impulse correction, yeah, then if we get a break, we need to get another confirmation to retest this support, turn to resistance that price might have broken, something like this, and maybe do this and do this. That is based on what price action is saying. And if you don't get that, let's see. Guys, I gave out almost 6 pairs. Those are 6 free signals. So if you watched that video yesterday, I believe everything was an amazing thing. And you see, of course, let's see what them comment was doing. Yo, nice one, please. Okay, we had a super yo, you're a guru. So those are the people I believe that maybe took out, or I mean took those trades. So there was an amazing trade that you guys should check out. I'm not going to waste your time, guys, but I could have not taken all those pairs. That's why I only took a gold trade. Okay, GBP USD played amazing, Euro USD played amazing. So you guys need to check out, you see. what I was talking about. You see, guys. Okay, we had also US 30. Of course, I've talked about US 30. We had Nasdaq, I believe so. You see, guys, which is so still amazing. Yo, I gave us so many pairs that you need to check out, and guys, check out my Telegram, guys, and also, guys, like this video, share to your friends, man. Do not be greedy. Let them also learn for free. Adios, mi amigos. Peace.